Let's learn English and exercise at the same time. We will practice 9 common beginner action verbs in English and 9 other verbs with a similar meaning. Tips for this video. Watch 3 times. First time, watch and listen. Second time, watch, listen, and do the movements. Third time, watch, listen, do the movements, and say the sentences. We will practice present progressive and simple past in we form. You will need a chair or a stool. I've got my alligator, my monster, and my chair. Let's get started. Walk. We're walking. We're walking. We're walking. We walked. Stroll. We're strolling. We're strolling. We're strolling. We strolled. Jump. We're jumping. We're jumping. We're jumping. We jumped. Hop. We're hopping. We're hopping. We're hopping. We hopped. Again, we're walking. We are walking. We are walking. We're walked. We're walked? We walked. We're strolling. We're strolling. We're strolling. We strolled. We are jumping. We are jumping. We are jumping. We jumped. We are hopping. We are hopping. We are hopping. We hopped. Run. We are running. We are running. We are running. We ran. Jog. We are jogging. We are jogging. We are jogging. We jogged. We are running. We are running. We are running. We ran. Take a breath. Sit down. We're sitting down. We're sitting down. We're sitting down. We sat down. Take a seat. We are taking a seat. We are taking a seat. We are taking a seat. We took a seat. Stand up. We are standing up. We are standing up. We are standing up. We stood up. Get up. We are getting up. We are getting up. We are getting up. We got up. Pull. We're pulling. We're pulling. We are pulling. We pulled. Tug. We are tugging. We are tugging. We are tugging. We tugged. Push. We are pushing. We are pushing. We are pushing. We pushed. Shove. We are shoving. We are shoving. We are shoving. We shoved. Pick up. We are picking up the ball. We are picking up the ball. We are picking up the ball. We picked up the ball. Throw. We are throwing the ball. We are throwing the ball. We are throwing the ball. We threw the ball. Toss. We are tossing the ball. We are tossing the ball. We are tossing the ball. We tossed. Walk one more time. We are walking. We are walking. We are walking. We walked. We are strolling. We are strolling. We are strolling. We strolled. We are running. We're running. We're running. We ran. We are jogging. We are jogging. We are jogging. We jogged. If you want more beginner English for exercise and movement, click here for a beginner English stretch. Thanks. My name's Jade. Thank you for watching. Bye.